We're excited to present the inaugural edition of the Bottomline, the definitive guide to understanding India's thriving fintech ecosystem and the $400 billion value creation opportunity that it represents. India is now home to the third largest fintech ecosystem globally, and through this report, we outline our 4E framework, showcasing the 4 vectors via which fintechs have created value in this massive ecosystem: expansion, experience, efficiency, and enablement.
See significant impact both through creating operational efficiencies as well as creating financial efficiencies. So, whenever we have looked at some of these partnerships for internal digitization, right? So today, for example, if I have to look at my FRM process or AML process or transaction monitoring process, or the whole digital lending digitization that I spoke about earlier. So all of these, we have clearly taken a decision of buy versus build, right? And this is where we've seen that there is such immense talent amongst available in the market, where players have actually created very futuristic solutions. They've created solutions which are more or less in line with what a bank or a regulated entity would require. So there is very little customization which is left to be decided, to be made, and hence the go-to-market for my implementation of some of these solutions is really expedited, right? So that, of course, and obviously I will take care of all the cybersecurity, data protection, and other ancillary reg requirements which are there. But even factoring all of that, I think the go-to-market for the bank is greatly expedited. The second part is the financial efficiencies which get created, and this is again where we've seen through some of these connected banking partnerships that we have created for liabilities, for originating current account or saving account or investments, or through some of these digital lending partnerships that we have done for either consumer lending or for MSME, working capital, supply chain financing, etc. There is a tangible spurt in terms of volumes, because while my branch origination is already doing what it is, but through some of these digital partnerships, our NTB is NTB new to bank customer origination is greatly accelerated, right? So that's the way we look at it from a both operational as well as financial efficiency creation for the bank.
If you're keen to understand the Indian fintech landscape even more deeply, please visit bottomline.elevationcapital.com. You'll of course find more engaging discussions with industry participants on the 4E framework, as well as a deep dive into the Indian fintech journey so far, how we got here and where we're headed, and how fintech is transforming the Indian financial services landscape.